In this video, let me show you how to transfer your SoundCloud playlist. If you're trying to transfer one of your playlists from SoundCloud to other platforms such as Spotify, you can easily do it with the help of Tune My Music. This is a platform that lets you transfer all of the songs or playlists from one platform to the another. So as you can see, these are all of the platforms that you can transfer from or to one of your playlists. In order to transfer your playlist from SoundCloud, you need to first of all select the source, which is of course going to be SoundCloud. So search for SoundCloud and click on this option. Make sure SoundCloud is logged in on this particular web browser. Click on connect and continue. And your SoundCloud now has been connected. The second thing that you need to do is select the playlist that you're trying to upload or trying to transfer to a different platform. You can either select the entire library option as well, or just select one of the playlists that you're trying to upload. Once that is done, click on choose destination. And the second thing that you need to do is select the destination, whether it be Spotify or any other platform that you want to transfer to. Once you're done, make sure that the other platform is also logged in on this browser and then click on agree. This way is going to show you all of the playlists that you're going to transfer. If you agree, just click on the start transfer option and the process will start. Once it is completed, click on continue. If you head back to the other platform, the playlist that you just transferred will be now visible inside of your library. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to transfer playlists from SoundCloud. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.